My name's Kayla from Planning with Kay, and I create planner stickers and content about planning and bullet journaling, where you take a blank notebook and use it to plan your life. So basically, it's like a custom planner, journal, diary, sketchbook, scrapbook, anything else, you need it to be all in one. I think daily pages or daily logs are the easiest way to get into bullet journaling and the daily routine of using your journal every single day. When I was a beginner, I primarily used daily pages because they were simple and focused. I wrote the date at the top, and then I just used that entire page to plan and organize my day. And I would do this every single day of the week when I first started bullet journaling. This style of journaling was so simple and effective for me as a beginner, and it's what got me into bullet journaling and made me fall in love with that daily practice. For this coming week, I'm challenging myself to use 7 daily pages for the 7 days of the week. And I'll be setting up all of those pages with you today. To make this setup extra fun and easy, I'm going to use my stickers that I create for planners and bullet journals. So each daily is going to have a different decorative theme with one of these decorative sticker sheets. And then I'll also use some functional stickers to make the setup even easier. I'm selling all of these sticker sheets in a bundle in my sticker shop. All of my stickers are hand-drawn and designed and manufactured in-house. And if you buy the bundle, it comes with a bonus fruits and veggie sticker sheet for free. So if you want to give them a try and have a great sampler of different decorative and functional stickers that make bullet journaling a little bit easier, check out the link in the description below. All right, so let's get to this setup, starting with a daily page for Monday. So any good daily needs to start with the weekly header at the top. Again, this is going to be for Monday, so I'm just going to do a little stripe of color, stick a Monday sticker right over that, and then write in the date next to the day of the week. Now I need a spot for a to-do list for the day, so I'll grab a task list sticker with one of these little rainbows, and have that be a spot for my to-do list for the day. On the bottom, I'm going to put in a little time ladder that's going to go from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. And then it's going to have a spot for events on the left side. And then I can also break down my to-do list if I want to, based on what time of day I'm going to get that task done. I don't want to complicate this page any more than this. I want to keep it pretty simple. So let's just finish it off with some decoration. For Tuesday, I'm going to use this Cameras and Polaroid sticker sheet for a springtime retro Polaroid theme. I'm going to start again with a header at the top, and I'm going to mirror the same style, using a colored marker to do a quick splash across the top of the page, sticking in a Tuesday sticker from one of my weekly header sticker sheets, and then writing in the date right next to that. And then I'm going to do a little row of my decorative Polaroid cameras and Polaroid picture stickers. I'm going to split this page into 2 columns. The left side will be my task list for the day, and I already know that Tuesday's trash day, so I'm going to make a note of that right away with my little household chores sticker icons. On the right side, I'm going to have another hourly schedule, and below that, I'm going to have a spot for daily gratitude. Let's go on to Wednesday. For this spread, I want to lean into the floral theme, so I'm going to use my pastel tulips and my blooming cherry blossoms for each of these 2 pages for Wednesday and Thursday. I start by creating my daily header at the top. This is really the only requirement for my daily pages. You just need a date at the top, and everything else from there is pretty optional. You can mix and match all of these different ideas together in any way that seems to suit you. I'm using a sticker for my daily habit tracker sticker sheet to create a priority task list section for this day. So that way I make sure I know where my focus should be on this day, and at minimum, what things I really need to get done. And I'm just going to leave the rest of this day blank. When this day comes, whatever I need this space for, I have it there available. All right, Thursday is going to be pastel tulip themed. I love these little rows of tulips here, so I'm definitely going to do one on each side of the page. I'll use another weekly header sticker, this time from my Mixed Weekly Headers 2 sticker sheet, another monthly header, followed by the date. After adding in a little extra decoration, I'm going to put a time ladder at the bottom. I really love doing hourly time tracking and schedule planning on these dailies. I think it's a really good use of space, and it helps me to manage my expectations when it comes to how much I can actually get done in a day. Then another task list at the top. I am getting so excited to actually use these throughout this next week. All right, let's move on to Friday, Saturday. Okay, here I'm going for more of like a summer food theme. So I'm going to use my honey lavender sticker sheet and my strawberry sticker sheet together and set up dailies for Friday and Saturday. I love both of these sticker sheets so much, so I'm going to try to use a lot of this decoration just because I shamelessly love these designs. Most importantly, I need a task list for the day, so after writing in my header at the top for Friday, March 22nd, I'm going to put a little task list right below that for my to-do list for that day. I think Friday is also a good day in the week to check in on some healthy daily habits, so I'm going to have my little daily habits box at the bottom and write down drinking water, eating healthy, and doing something for my own self-care to make sure I'm taking care of myself at the end of this week. And let's throw in a little inspirational quote to get us going at the end of this week as well for a little Friday pick-me-up. So I'm going to hype myself up a little bit and say, you got this. Next up is Saturday, March 23rd. Starting off with the header at the top. This is going to be a strawberry themed page. Keeping things simple with a task list right at the top, except I'm going to start with my top 3 priority tasks so that way, again, I make sure to stay focused. Since this is over the weekend, let's do a little reminder that self-care is important. Daily pages like this are also a great way to practice your hand lettering if you're wanting to learn lettering and calligraphy, anything like that. And you can check out my last video if you want some tips and tricks on how to level up your own hand lettering. There we go, that's it for Saturday. Just a task list at the top with a few priority tasks broken out in front, and then a little self-care reminder at the bottom. Just having fun with decoration. I love these 2 sticker sheets so much. All right, I'm finishing off with Sunday, and Sunday is for citrus. I'm going to use this citrus fruits sheet to set up this last daily page for this week, and that is going to be for Sunday, March 24th. I'm going to use my Sunday daily page as a place to do an end of week check-in, so I'm just going to pre-write in some questions that I can answer on Sunday to kind of reflect on how my last week has gone and anything I want to carry over into the following week. Then, of course, I'm going to have my task list for the day. And then at the bottom, I'm going to have a section for next week where I can start to brainstorm any tasks that need to be moved from my dailies throughout this week over into next week. All right, I have this one extra page left, so I'm going to use that free bonus sheet that comes with my new sticker bundle and create just a fun decorative collage on the right side to match this fruit theme and finish off these spreads for this coming week. I'm going to leave some room for a quote in the middle and then just fill that entire space with all of these fruit and veggie stickers. I'm going to try to do it in sort of a rainbow. Beautiful, and we'll finish this off with a sweet little quote. And that is the last of these 7 daily bullet journal pages. For Monday through Sunday of this next week, I'm all prepped and ready to go with these daily pages that have all the space I need to plan my daily to-do list, my schedules and events, and also just have time to reflect on my day. Daily planning is such a good way to get into bullet journaling, especially if you're a beginner, But even for someone like me who's been journaling for 7 years, I still find that this is one of the most effective ways that I can use my planners to help me organize and prioritize my days. I love the daily pages encourage you to go to your bullet journal on a daily basis, and the act of setting these dailies up is just so much fun, especially with the stickers that I use today. I challenge you to set up some daily pages like this and see if it helps your days out. And if you want to try out my stickers, the sticker bundle with all the stickers I use today is available in my shop, PlanningWithKay.com, linked in the description down below. If you like the video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more bullet journaling content. Check out my sticker shop, my monthly sticker subscription on Patreon, and all my other links down in the description below. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.